Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro 13 Plus driver. So first come on this website dell.com, this official website. Okay, then click on support and then click driver and download. Then this is the search icon. So type Dell Pro 13 Plus. You can see there are two laptop. Okay, so but driver download and installations process same. Okay, after that you can see there are two method to install. First is automatic and second is manual, and specific you can install the driver. Suppose you are facing some issues of any single driver, so you can install. So that's why you have to select this one for, and this is automatically means required driver, it will install automatically. Okay, so manual, this select this driver. Yeah, so this is your series. Yeah, then slow down, click categorize, slow down, come to network, mouse, keyboard, and network ethernet wireless. Okay, so this is a LAN driver, ethernet control driver. Okay, so click on download, and always guys try to download latest driver. Okay, if some issues in the latest, then you can older. Yeah. So it is completed, then single click, then yes for the administrator installations. So there are two method to install. Second is guys, extract the first all the driver and then install later. Okay, and first is installed directly. So select this and then click to continue. After that you can see this is installing the driver, and it will take some time depend about your configurations and all. Might be 2 to 3 minutes. So it is installed, you can see your software is updated, and then click to close.